This is my super easy, no-cook, authentic Italian pizza sauce. Perfect for those summertime pizza parties. Because this recipe has so few ingredients, you want to use the best quality tomatoes you can get.
Add one 400-gram or 14-ounce can of tomatoes to your bowl.
You could either break these up with scissors, like this, or I'm just going to go in with my hands. Just give the tomatoes a really good crush. Add in 3 tablespoons, 45 milliliters of olive oil, 1 teaspoon, 4 grams of salt, and this is optional, but 1/4 teaspoon, 1 gram of oregano. You might notice there's no garlic in this recipe. Garlic isn't traditional in a pizza sauce. But that being said, if you love garlic, go ahead and add some in. A few slices will be great. Give that a stir. That's your traditional Italian pizza sauce ready to go. You could shred up your basil and add it into the sauce at this stage, but I like to add it at the end of the cooking so that it doesn't get burnt and wilty on my pizza. You only need to use a really thin layer of this sauce, so it should yield anywhere from 6 to 8 small pizzas or 3 to 4 larger pizzas. And if you're only making 1 or 2 pizzas tonight, you can easily freeze this. I would highly suggest freezing it in larger ice cube trays and then popping it out as you need it. But it will keep for a few days in the fridge. And if you're looking for another great recipe, YouTube thinks you're gonna love this one. If you found this video helpful, I'd love if you head down below and hit the like or hype button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.